Hi everyone, my name is Maria. Today is Friday. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. We made it. Um, we just finished having dinner. This is like a late evening mini blog I'm trying to do. I had a busy day but not productive, and I hate those type of days because I feel like a failure when I don't do what I have to do when it comes down to work. So yeah, it's that kind of day. So reports have to be done, case notes have to be done, and I'm way behind. um I have to clean, I have to do laundry. So thank God that I went to pick up my son at school. We're home, we just had dinner. I'm about to get me a hot tea. I'm thinking about it, if I should do cold or hot. And then I'm gonna come back, do the dishes. He's gonna throw out the garbage, he's gonna vacuum, and he's gonna mop. So I'm gonna give him a little something for that, for helping out, which I really appreciated. But of course, he's not gonna do the whole thing. He's gonna do a portion. Um, but anywho, today I have to get laundry done, and I just wanted to bring you guys along. Oh, jeez. So my son, this whole PlayStation situation shit.
Bedsheets, somebody's kind of
time for a nice shower. So guys, I am nice and showered. There's not just a better feeling than just being in bed. So now I am going to read the Bible real quick before I go to sleep, because I didn't get a chance to do it earlier today. Um, this is something I just started doing. So I just started doing this. It's not like I'm a pro or anything like that. Typically what I do is I just open the Bible wherever it leads me, and I just read a verse. And I just highlight any pinpoint. Sometimes I write on it. So that's what I've been doing lately. But anyways, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys press the like button or subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.